a video presentation about do we agree or disagree that our environment is contaminated. For me, I'm in a positive side, which is I agree, yes, the environment is contaminated.
Strongly disagree because the environment is not contaminated or is improving.
The reason why I'm in a positive side, because of the visible pollution. There is a clear evidence of pollution in air, water, land, smoke in cities, polluted rivers, and mountains. Of plastic waste are all the sign of contamination.
The reason why I disagree is because governments and organizations worldwide are taking serious steps to clean the environment, such as promoting green energy and reducing plastic and reforestation.
The reason why I strongly agree because health impact. Many health problems like respiratory issues, skin diseases, and even cancer are linked to pollution caused by environmental contamination.
Cleaner technologies. Modern technology is becoming more environmentally friendly, such as electronic cars and sustainable manufacturing practices.
The loss of diversity. Pollution and deforestation have led to extinction of various animals, plants, species, disturbing the natural balance.
People today are more aware of environmental issues and taking personal actions to reduce their carbon footprint.
Areas of why I strongly agree because of climate change. The rise in greenhouse gases due to industrial activities, human behavior is contaminating the atmosphere and contributing to global warming.
Improving environmental quality. In some places, the quality of air and water has improved due to stricter regulation and environmental programs.